back to Cooking with Diego's. Today we're making breakfast burritos. So for today's ingredients, we'll be using eggs, butter, oil, potato, onion, milk. We have some mushrooms, bacon as well, and some cheese. We'll also be using our Go Well classic wrap, which is low in sugar and saturated fat.
It's time to put the oil and followed by the bacon.
So with the onions. And then we're going to just mix them up slightly. So we use about a half a potato with this one. So once the onions have gone translucent and the hash brown is born a nice golden brown colour, we're going to go in with the butter. And then we will melt this down a little bit, followed by our mushrooms and a pinch of salt. So we'll first just gotta preheat the pan, and then we'll go in with a bit of oil here. Any kind is fine. We use olive oil. So we're gonna go in with an omelette-styled scrambled egg. So we just leave that there. Create a little bit of omelette shape for that one. Slowly lifting the edges once it cooks on top. What we're going, on the bottom, sorry, we're going for a cooked underneath, so that we put the tortilla over and have the egg on top, like another little cake. So we'll just let this one cook for now, maybe add a little pinch of salt. So once we've let our egg cook enough underneath, we'll just add our classic wrap on top. And then we'll just put a plate over the top of the pan like this. And just flip it up. So right now we have our egg cooked on top of the classic wrap there, ready to go.
So we're gonna start assembling this yummy burrito for breakfast. Very easy, so as you can see the egg is stuck to the tortilla, and as you heat it out, you can get up the tortilla as well, and makes it really soft. And we're gonna put Ricky. Cheers.
Cheers.
And this is how you enjoy a breakfast burrito.